All right, welcome back. We're here in section 3, and we're going to be covering using ChatGPT for learning and upskilling. So I'm going to break this section up into about 4 videos because I'm going to spend a little more time on the examples, and we're going to be doing this live together. So I'll type in some different prompts, and I'll show you guys how you can develop more skills and more education very quickly by using this tool. Okay, so if there's some new things that you're looking to learn, okay, let's just say you are going through a bunch of stress with all life and everything going on. Let's say, what are some ways to overcome stress? Period. Okay, so it's going to give us a few different things. Now, this is education, right? Now, you can go and look this up on the internet. You can look this up in a book, right? And let's look up a little even further, right? So, what books are most popular in this subject? Okay, and this is still continuing, right? So now this is going to give you a list of books. The Power of Now, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. Okay, so if you want to continue learning, what this does, it gives you titles. Now I have, let's just say the stress management for your life. Okay. This provides practical strategies for managing stress and improving overall well-being. Okay, so provide an overview of stress management of life and the strategies it recommends. Okay. So this is how you can, continue to go down the rabbit hole. And as you guys continue to learn, if you guys are students and you want to learn a subject a little bit more, every time you get an output, you should be able to read this information, comprehend it, and it should prompt you to ask more questions for better understanding or more understanding. Okay. So that's one way we can start. Just one question leads into a conversation. This is a conversation. Okay. Now, if you want to dive more into the subject, you definitely can. But I'm going to go into a different subject. Okay. So we're going to do forget all previous. Okay. Uh, Conversation. Okay. Now let's go into, let's say you're a parent, right? How can I communicate better with my teenager if I work all of the time and have little um, personal time with them? Okay. So there's some suggestions right now. This is all like some real life situations, right? If you want to learn or you want some tips on how to do something better, how can I be a better father, better mother, better sister, better brother, How can I be a better friend, right? How can I be a better friend? And this is just regular general questions. Now, if you take the same question and then you added some information, right? Let's say, how can I be a better friend? And you give context to that question, right? So let's say, how can I be a better friend? And then you describe the situation. So I have a friend who is very annoying. uh, in public, and I don't want to be rude and tell them, but it needs to stop. Okay, so there's a little more context. There you go. So here's a little more context in this situation, right? So that gives you a good example on adding more information is going to get you a different result. So context matters. All right, so let's jump into a few more examples. Okay, let's say you are an introvert and you're just looking for a new hobby because you need something else to do with your life, right? So what are some hobbies an introvert could start fairly quickly? Okay, so here's breakdown. Now these are kind of basic, right? So I would expand. So list some more hobbies that are not as common. That are not, yeah, not as common. Okay. Geocaching. Okay. Here, how about this one? List some hobbies that are not common and are in the tech space. Okay. So here's an example. The more information that you put, you'll get better results. So let's say drone flying. You're interested in drone flying. Oh, how better that Internet of Things, right? So here's how you can learn. Internet of Things. If you've never heard of this, explain, okay, so that I can understand what it is and how it affects people's lives. Assume, okay, let's say here, write your response so that a fifth grader could understand it. Are you smarter than a fifth grader? Okay, so the question I asked is understand it and how it affects people's lives. So the context it's going to provide for me should match, right? So here you go. For example, it makes homes more efficient and convenient by automatically adjusting temperature, lighting, security systems, etc. Okay, so that's another way you can use that. And let's do one more example before we jump into the next section. Let's just say you also, let's just keep it on hobbies, but instead of hobbies, you're going to go into sports, right? So there's a new sport called pickleball, and not a lot of people are playing. Well, there's a lot of people playing it right now, but it's still fairly new, right? So let's say, what are the rules to pickleball, and how do you play? Okay, so here's some pickleball. Okay, now if you want to go even deeper into picking up this new sport, right? Where are some online hangouts for pickleball players? And then you can also ask for like, also provide a list of local pickleball um, gyms or playgrounds or courts. How about that? Because they usually play them on tennis courts. Okay, gyms or courts where I can play if I live in, let's just say, let's just say San Diego, California. Okay, Pickleball Central. This is how you can tap into communities, right? You live in San Diego. See, so this is a powerful tool in learning as a learning resource. You can learn information very, very quickly. And really, it's all at your imagination. What questions are you going to ask? What's interesting to you? That's what I want you guys to get from this lesson is really take your own questions that apply to your life and apply them to using this chatbot. or to using ChatGPT. Okay, so let's go into the next video. In the next section, we're going to dive a little more information into skills development, and I'll show you guys some more examples on how to use that in the next video.